COVID-19, the curse of 2019 that spreads to 2020-2021 and is still going in 2022. The new variant Omicron is proving even worse as vaccines are questionable. Many people are getting affected even after vaccination. So I am introducing some natural remedies that are working wonders for COVID patients. I have experienced it myself, so I can attest to it. These home remedies of COVID not only work for COVID but also works wonders for dry cough, bad cough and cough of children. Now there are the natural remedies. For more videos like this, subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Warm water. Avoid normal temperature water and forbid cold water. Always try to drink warm water. It has always been the strategy with any cold, dry cough, bad cough and COVID. As COVID at its core is a cold. If you keep drinking warm water instead of normal water, the chances of COVID deteriorating will be severely weakened. Boiled eggs. One thing that is true for every patient in COVID is that they will become physically weak. Eat at least 3 boiled eggs a day. Eat while they are hot for sore throat and it will work for both weakness and sore throat. Eating a whole egg is very nutritious and can cure you of dry cough. It's best for children as it boosts their immunity. Having a whole egg daily can prevent cough in children. Juice. Drink a lot of juice, especially juice with high vitamin C content. I recommend Malta and orange juice. These juices have proven themselves in fight against cold for years. You can always depend on them. Also, eat as much fruit as possible. No cold means no dry cough. Lemon water. Search for lemonade and lemon water recipes on the internet and make the one best suited for you. But always have at least 1 cup a day. The best thing would be in the evening. Avoid cold water in lemonade. Hot lemon water is a great remedy for dry cough. Herbal tea for dry cough, bad cough and COVID. You can prepare herbal tea to lessen the cold effect and get better in COVID. It will not make a COVID go away, but it will surely make your life easier. It works wonder with dry cough and bad cough too. It might be a bit acidic to children, should have a small portion if needed to cure their dry cough. List of ingredients: cinnamon, bay leaf, ginger, salt. Preparation process. First wash cinnamon, ginger and bay leaf. Make a paste of ginger or cut it into very small pieces. Break cinnamon into smaller pieces. Add everything into the water. Boil water for around 20 minutes. Filter the mixture and collect it in a flask. Drink the mixture directly or use it as a solvent of green tea or a normal tea bag. Possible negative effects of the remedies. Warm water. Regular warm water intake may cause a chemical imbalance in the body and possible constipation or irregularity of bowel movement. Sufficient juice intake will offset it by a large portion. Boiled egg. Patient with high blood pressure might face a spike in the blood pressure due to the excess intake of boiled eggs. Regular checkup of blood pressure is advised. Juice. If enough heavy food is not taken alongside juice in your diet, then you may face gastric problems. Lemon water will surely create gastric problems. Herbal tea. For some patients, it might create gastric problem, so it's advised to take medication after consulting your doctor if you face gastric problems. Taking these natural remedies regularly will lessen the adverse effect of COVID and will make it rarer to go in COVID shock. But we always need to understand that mental sickness is the bigger part of COVID sickness. Since we can take direct care of our loved ones due to the nature of this disease, always let them know you are with them and they will get better soon. Your kind word can make a world of difference to your loved ones. As for dry cough and bad cough, taking these medicines and remedies not only help with dry cough as it's a very common problem, it also helps with a bad cough. You can cure yourself of any and all problems related to cough with these home remedies.